Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Students, in this video we will discuss exercise 5G. But before starting exercise work, let us recall all the identities which we have studied in previous classes, right? So first was if A plus B whole square is there, it will be A square plus 2ab plus b square. If instead of a plus b there is a minus b whole square, it will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. Right? If x square plus 1 upon x square is given, then it can be written as x plus 1 upon x whole square minus 2. X square plus 1 upon x square is also equals to x minus 1 upon x whole square plus 2. These identities we have discussed in previous classes. Now let us understand one more identity which we will use to solve the question of exercise 5G. So that identity is if A minus B is multiplied by A plus B. Terms are same in both the polynomials, just the difference of sign, right? So it means A minus B is multiplied by A plus B, right? So A will be multiplied by this whole polynomial, right? A will be multiplied by A plus B. Minus sign here, so put minus sign. And this B will be multiplied by this whole polynomial. B multiply A plus B. Now according to distributive property, this is A multiply A, it means A square plus A multiply B means AB. Minus sign, B multiply A is BA, or you can write AB, plus B multiply B is B square. Why I have put the bracket? Because I have just multiplied by B. या तो आप माइनस बी से मल्टीप्लाई करो बिकॉज माइनस साइन वॉज देयर, राइट. नाउ आई विल ओपन द ब्रैकेट ए स्क्वायर प्लस ए बी minus ab. If outside the bracket we have minus sign, then sign of both the terms inside the bracket will be changed. This will be minus b square plus ab minus ab cancel out. Now we have a square minus b square, and this is equals to a minus b multiply a plus b. When we multiplied both the polynomials, we got a square minus b square, right? So again and again we will not multiply by the lengthy process, we will simply use this identity. हम डायरेक्टली इस आइडेंटिटी को लर्न कर लेंगे. a माइनस बी मल्टीप्लाई a प्लस b इज इक्वल्स टू a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर. Now for better understanding, let's start doing questions of exercise 5G, which is based on this identity. Question number 1, find the following products, right? This is multiplied by this. This is A plus B. Terms are same. A minus B, right? A is X and B is 2, right? If we compare it with A plus B into A minus B, then A is X and B is 2. And we know that a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So we will use this identity. हम इस identity को क्या करेंगे? यूज कर लेंगे. use identity a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. Here a plus b is x plus 2, a minus b is x minus 2, so it will be equals to a square minus b square. a क्या है, x है, so x का स्क्वायर माइनस b क्या है, 2 है, 2 का स्क्वायर, राइट. So x square means x multiply x, it means x square, minus 2 square means 2 multiply 2, it means 4, right. So this is the result of the product. Next is 5 plus 9m into 5 minus 9m, right. If we use the identity a plus b into a minus b, that is equals to a square minus b square, right. Here a is this, a plus b, a minus b, right. a is 5, so हमें क्या करना होगा, a का स्क्वायर, राइट. so a का स्क्वायर मीन्स 5 का स्क्वायर माइनस b का स्क्वायर, b स्क्वायर इज 9m, b की वैल्यू क्या है, 9m. सो 9m का स्क्वायर कर लेते हैं. सो 5 स्क्वायर मीन्स 5 मल्टीप्लाई 5, 25 माइनस 9m स्क्वायर मीन्स 9m मल्टीप्लाई 9m, बिकॉज पावर इज 2, so we will multiply 2 times. 9 9s are 81, m multiply m means powers will be added, so m square will be there, right. this is m square, so this is equals to 81 m square. So this is the product. Clear? Again this is in the form of a minus b, a plus b, right. And you know the identity a minus b into a plus b is equals to a square minus b square, right. so अगर ये a है, ये b है, a minus b, a plus b, then this will be equals to a square minus b square. so a क्या है, a is x square, a x square है ना, and b is y square. और आपको क्या करना है, a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर, सो a की वैल्यू लिखते हैं x स्क्वायर, a का स्क्वायर करते हैं माइनस b की वैल्यू लिखो एंड देन उसका स्क्वायर कर दो. नाउ इफ पावर ऑफ पावर इज गिवन, अगर पावर की पावर होती है, आपने एक्सपोनेंट्स में पढ़ा है, पावर की पावर गिवन है, देन पावर्स विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड, 2 2s are 4 minus again y is the base and power of power is given, right. so powers will be multiplied, so this is 2 2s are 4. so this is the product. Similarly in this a is this, a की वैल्यू क्या है, ये कंप्लीट है, एंड b is this, right. so क्या करना है, a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर, वी नो ना, a माइनस b into a plus b is equals to a square minus b square, यही होता है, राइट. सो a का स्क्वायर करते हैं, इट मीन्स 2 अपॉन b, यही है ना a की वैल्यू, इसका स्क्वायर करते हैं माइनस b स्क्वायर, व्हाट इज b हियर, 5 अपॉन c स्क्वायर. नाउ 2 अपॉन b whole square means 2 upon b will be multiplied by itself, 2 2s are 4, upon b multiply b means b square, so this will be 4 upon b square minus 5 upon c square means 5 upon c will be multiplied 2 times, 5 5s are 25, c square, so this is 25 upon c square. So this is your answer. Now in question number 2, we have 3 polynomials, but first of all we will solve 2 polynomials. Check करते हैं how we can easily solve them. If you observe, in these we have same terms, just the sign is different, right. अगर हम a plus 1 इंटू a माइनस 1 को देखें, दिस इज लाइक a प्लस बी, a माइनस बी, तो हम इसमें यूज कर सकते हैं फॉर्मूला a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर, b इज 1, दैट मीन्स 1 का स्क्वायर, so this is equals to a square, 1 square means 1 ones are 1. So value of this will be, after solving this part, these two polynomial, we will get a square minus 1, right? Now copy down this part, a square plus 1. Again in these two polynomials terms are same, दोनों में terms same ही है, a square minus 1, a square plus 1, just there is a difference of sign. तो आप क्या करेंगे, you will again use the formula. If this is a, this is b, this is a, this is b, so this is in the form of a minus b into a plus b now. So you will use the formula a square, what is a here, a square, square first term का square minus second term का square, right? This is the power of power, so we will multiply the powers. A 2 2s are 4 minus 1 square means 1 will be multiplied by itself, it means 1 ones are 1. So this is your answer. Just we have used the identity 2 times. Let's practice with one more question. Again, first of all, we will use identity in these two polynomials. Why? Because in these two polynomials terms are same. यहाँ पर भी a ही है, यहाँ पर x है, a x, just the difference of sign. यही करते हैं ना, अगर साइन का डिफरेंस हो a प्लस b इंटू a माइनस b, अगर टर्म्स सेम है एंड साइन आर डिफरेंट इन बिटवीन, a प्लस b इंटू a माइनस b is also equals to first term का square, it means a square minus second term का square which is b square. यही आइडेंटिटी होती है. Similarly we will do here first term का square, it means a square minus second term का square, second term is x square, right? So after solving these two parts we are getting this a square minus x square. Copy down the next polynomial, a square plus x square. Again in these two polynomial also terms are same, but the sign is different in between, right? So we will use the identity a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square, right? A means first term, so first term का square करते हैं, जो first term है this is the first term, उसका square कर देते हैं, माइनस सेकेंड टर्म इज दिस, सेकेंड टर्म का स्क्वायर कर देते हैं, राइट? नाउ a is the base and we have power of power, it means we will multiply the exponent, 2 2s are 4. Similarly x is the base and we will multiply the exponents, 2 2s are 4, right? So this is your answer. Next question number 3. First of all, we will find the product of these two polynomials. Why? Because in these two polynomials, terms are same. This is the first term in both the polynomials and this is the second term, right? Sign is different in between. So which identity we will use here? We will use the identity a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square, right? It means if terms are same like a plus b into a minus b, what do we do? First of all we write the square of first term, then minus sign and the square of second term. First of all write this first term, right, and then its square minus write the second term. Second term is 1 upon x cube and then its square, right? यही करते हैं ना. Copy down the next polynomial, x raised to the power 6 plus 1 upon x raised to the power 6, right? Now in first bracket base is the x and we have power of power. So we will multiply the powers. 3 2s are 6. Similarly, 1 upon base is x, power of power. So exponents will be multiplied. 3 2s are 6, right? X raised to the power 6 plus 1 upon x raised to the power 6. Now both the polynomials have same terms. दोनों में same term ही है, right? First term is x raised to the power 6. Second term is 1 upon x raised to the power 6. So this is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. तो आप क्या करेंगे? a square. What is a here? x raised to the power 6. First term का square it means a square minus second term का square it means b square. Right? Now simply solve it. Base is x. We have power of power. So exponents will be multiplied. 6 2s are 12 minus 1 raised to the power 2 means 1 and x raised to the power 6 and whole power is 2. Power of power. So it will be multiplied. X raised to the power 12. Right? So this is your answer. X raised to the power 12 minus 1 upon x raised to the power 12. Next question number 3. Using the identity for difference of two squares, find the values of. इनकी value find out करनी है after using the identity. Which identity? Difference of two square. It means a square minus b square. This is the difference of two squares. A का square b का square का difference है. And what is this? ये identity कौन सी होती है? a plus b into a minus b. राइट यही आइडेंटिटी होती है. सो इस आइडेंटिटी को यूज करके वी नीड टू सॉल्व दीज क्वेश्चंस. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स चेक 18 एंड 22 को हम किस तरीके से प्लस एंड माइनस करके लिख सकते हैं सो दैट टर्म्स आर सेम. राइट सो पहले आप क्या करो 18 और 22 को ऐड कर लो. दिस विल बी ईजियर फॉर यू. इट विल बी 40 एंड देन उसका एवरेज निकालो. इट मीन्स 2 से डिवाइड कर दो 20. सो हमें क्या मिल गया? एवरेज मिल गया. मिड टर्म मिल गई दोनों की. सो अब देखते हैं इस 20 से 18 कैसे आएगा. 20 माइनस 2 राइट एंड 20 से 22 कैसे आएगा. 20 प्लस 2. ईजी हो गया ना. अब ये किस फॉर्म में है? a माइनस बी इंटू ए प्लस बी. बिकॉज टर्म्स क्या हो गई हैं? सेम हो गई हैं. 20 एंड 2 जस्ट वी हैव माइनस एंड प्लस साइन इन बिटवीन. राइट सो नाउ वी विल राइट a स्क्वायर. व्हाट इज a हियर? 20 का स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर. व्हाट इज b हियर? 2 का स्क्वायर. सो 20 स्क्वायर मीन्स 20 मल्टीप्लाई 20. So this is 2 2s are 4 and then 2 zeros 400 minus 2 multiply 2 4. Now subtract them. After subtracting 4 from 400 you will get 396 and this is your answer. Right? First of all आपको given numbers को a plus b and a minus b की form में लिखना है and then identity use करनी है. Let's practice with one more part. Now they have given in the form of a square minus b square. a square minus b square किसके इक्वल होता है? आपने आइडेंटिटी में पढ़ा है a plus b into a minus b. राइट अब इन्होंने ऑलरेडी a square minus b square की फॉर्म में गिवन है. राइट सो हम इसको और कैसे लिख सकते हैं? a plus b. व्हाट इज a here? 84 plus b is 76 into a is 84 minus b is 76. right ये a स्क्वायर था ये b स्क्वायर था. इट मीन्स a की वैल्यू 84 b की वैल्यू 76. सो a प्लस b इंटू a माइनस b की फॉर्म में लिखा है. राइट नाउ प्लस देम 84 प्लस 76 इज 160. राइट हियर 160 multiply 84 minus 76 is 8. Now this is easy to multiply, right? 16 8s are 128 and then you have 1 0. This is your answer. Next, find the value of x. X की value find out करनी है. This is on the left hand side we have 13x. So simply write 13x equals to, on right hand side we have 58 square minus 45 square. This is in the form of a square minus b square. तो आप इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, a plus b into a minus b. राइट, a की वैल्यू आपको पता है, a की वैल्यू क्या है 58. यहाँ पर a की वैल्यू ये है, b की वैल्यू 45 है. सो 58 plus 45 into 58 minus 45. Add them, इन दोनों को ऐड करते हैं. When you will add, you will get 103. Multiply, when you will subtract them, you will get 13. Right? So from here we found the value of this, and its value we have found is 103 multiply 13. You want to find the value of this x, so leave it alone. x को ऐसे ही रहने देते हैं on left hand side. On right hand side we already have 103 multiply 13. When this 13 will come on right hand side, on left hand side this was in multiplication, now this will be in division. This 13 and 13, 13 ones are 13, 13 ones are 13. Now x is equals to 103 ones are 103 upon 1, or you can also write it as 103 because in denominator you just have 1. Right? So this is your answer. Second part, first of all, on left hand side we have 24x is equals to, on right hand side we have 99 square minus 87 square. This is in the form of a square minus b square. What is a here? 99. And what is b here? 87. So you can write it in the form of a plus b into a minus b, right? So 99 plus 87, एक बार टर्म्स को ऐड कर देते हैं, एक बार टर्म्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं. 99 minus 87. When you will add 99 with 87, you will get 186. Multiply 99 minus 87 is 12. Alright, so its value is 186 multiplied 12. So we have calculated its value, put it here, 186 multiplied 12. Now you want to find the value of this x. So move this to the another side. Right? So x is equals to 186 multiplied 12. On left hand side 24 was in multiplication, so now this will be in division. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. Now this 2 and 186 both are divisible by 2, so cut them. 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18, 2 threes are 6. So what you are getting, x is equals to 93 ones are 93. So this is your answer. Next question, question number 5, simplify. First part is 179 multiply 179. जब हम सेम नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, सपोज आई एम मल्टीप्लाइंग टू 4 times, I can also write it as here base is 2 and power will be 4 because I am multiplying to 4 times, right? Similarly, base will be 179 because we are multiplying 179. How many times? 2 times. So power will be 2 minus base will be 21. Power will be 2 because we are multiplying it 2 times. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square. So you can write it as a plus b into a minus b, right? It means once you will add both the terms, एक बार दोनों terms add हो जाएंगी. 179 plus 21 into एक बार दोनों terms क्या हो जाएंगी, subtract 179 minus 21. So add these two. When you will add, you will get 200. Multiply, subtract these two. After subtracting, you will get 158. So first of all 158 को multiply करते हैं with 2. After multiplying 158 by 2, you will get 316, and you have 2 zeros here, so put 2 zeros. So this is your answer, 31,600. Next, third part. Again in numerator we are multiplying these two. These are same terms, so ये क्या बन जाएगी? Base is same. 297 we are multiplying 2 times, so power will be 2. Minus, in these two base is same, which is 203, and we are multiplying 203 2 times, so power will be 2 upon 94. Right? Now this is in the form of a square minus b square. तो हम क्या करते हैं? a plus b into a minus b. That means first of all दोनों टर्म्स को एक बार ऐड कर देते हैं. 297 plus 203 into, एक बार दोनों टर्म्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं. 297 minus 203, and the denominator we have 94. Now first of all solve this part. 297 plus 203. जब आप 297 में 203 ऐड करेंगे, you will get 500. Multiply. Next, subtract these two. 297 minus 203, 94, and the denominator is 94. 94 ones are 94. So what do you have now? 500 ones are 500. So this is your answer. Again in numerator, no matter students, confuse नहीं होना है आपको. decimal number given हो, कुछ भी number given हो, first of all if bases are same, if we are multiplying the same number, just write it as base 23.71, and we are multiplying 2 times, so power will be 2. Minus, these are same, 16.29, so this will be base 16.29, and power will be 2 because we are multiplying it 2 times, and denominator we already have 0.742. Right? Now this is in the form of a square minus b square. Right? So a square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. That means firstly we add the base of both the terms. हम 23.71 को ऐड कर देते हैं with 16.29, and secondly we subtract them. 23 minus 7, 1 में से subtract कर देते हैं 16.29. यही करते हैं ना, a plus b into a minus b. एक बार ऐड किया, एक बार subtract किया. Denominator is 0.742. Now solve it. Add these two terms, उनको ऐड कर देते हैं. When you will add these two terms, you will get 40. Right? 40.00 you are getting, but if you have 40.00, after decimal we just have zeros. 0 means nothing. Right? Multiply, subtract these two, उनको subtract कर देते हैं. When you will subtract, you will get 7.42, and the denominator is 0.742. Now simply solve it. उसको solve करते हैं. You have 40 multiply 7.42. Denominator is 0.742. Students, अभी हम denominator and इस numerator को वंजा में कट नहीं कर सकते because decimal places different हैं. राइट? यहाँ पर क्या है, 7 के बाद डेसिमल है, यहाँ पर क्या है, 7 से पहले डेसिमल है. सो पहले हम क्या करते हैं, डेसिमल को रिमूव कर देते हैं. रिमूव डेसिमल, पुट 1 इन डिनोमिनेटर, एंड आफ्टर डेसिमल देयर वर 2 डिजिट्स, सो यू विल पुट 2 zeros. Similarly, remove decimal from the denominator, put 1 in numerator, and after decimal there were 3 digits, so you will put 3 zeros here. 3 zeros put कर देंगे. Right? Now 0 to 0 cancel out, 0 to 0 cancel out. This will become 40 multiply 742 multiply 10 upon 742. 742 1 is 742. So what you are getting? You are getting 40 multiply 1 multiply 10. It means this is equals to 400, right? So this is your answer. So students, with this question, your exercise 5G is completed. Lot of practice is required in these questions, right? When you will practice, you will be able to use and apply the explained identities, right? So practice as much as possible. In next class, we will start the next exercise. Thank you. Have a good day.